Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. It's absolutely chucking it down. So we're doing an in-car review, and probably for his debut, I've got my co-pilot, my co-host, Buster. Say hello, boy. Hello, Buster. What's going on? Now, here you go. Now, Buster has got his own Instagram, go and check him out. He's not quite ready for the co-hosting duties just yet. He's new in the game, he's a pup. He doesn't know his onions, he doesn't know who's who in a zoo, and he can't compare apples to apples, but neither can I really, but I'm still blagging it. Buster, watch and learn. Now, we've come to Chicken George, the pinnacle of Chicken Mountain. It doesn't get any better than this. We were working just up the road. We punched it into the sat nav. We're 5 miles away. So I thought, number one, let's dive bomb in there and get some reviews. Get some wings eaten. Jess wanted some strips. We've got a mango. Those that know, by the way, know. We've got mango strips. We've got a special wing that I wanted to review in this one here now. And what else have we got, Jeffrey?
The bad barbecue.
Bad Boy G strips.
Oh.
They're for you. I'm not going to touch them. Other when we get home. This is what people have come to see. Now look, I know what I've done a review twice, 3 times now.
Yeah.
At Chicken George. So those that are new to the page, I cannot give them a score. At some point in the past, they have already got a 10 out of 10 for the Ribman collab. This is literally the best of the best. Food lovers out there, the FRC family, I know that you guys want to see the best of the best. And as far as I can tell, no one in the UK, please correct me if I'm wrong, get in the comments now, this is your chance. No one in the UK can lace Chris's, aka Chicken George Jr.'s boots. And let me show you why. This is a particular wing that I haven't reviewed on the page. So I'm gonna take great pride in reviewing this. I've forgot my drink. I've actually forgot my drink, never mind, that's all good. I'll run in and get it.
What was it, a Rubicon?
No, it was a can of Ting.
Oh.
Here we go. You ready for the grand reveal, Jess? Come in nice and close. So this is a wing called Tie Me Up. Oh my God, look at this. Tie Me Up. Like, I'm sorry people, but you normally see the Chicken George wings presented on social media on delicate little plates by all of the food bloggers out there who live around Hitchin. But I'm sorry, but they actually still look awesome after being carried around by me, ruthless gorilla in a tin. You know, and they still
What?
no, they still look nice even after I've had my mitts on the bag. Now, again, no, I don't think. If you don't know what Chicken George, you've been living under a rock. Let me show you a thing or two about chicken wings here. I've had smaller drumsticks than that. Come and have a little close up look at this. So this is like a Thai wing they've got here. I don't even know what's in it. I had it last time, and let me just try and eat it and describe it. These wings are just like no other wings in the universe. I don't just. Here we go. Just a little spin around, by the way, Jess, so everyone can see. We're literally parked in the double yellows outside. It is like fried chicken, wings, and vibes. It's literally, that is Chicken George for you. He doesn't know I'm doing this video, by the way. Hello, Chris. Just literally swung by. These 3 portions of wings, 2 strips. 1 portion of wings was 21 quid, I think. Value. I had to say, it said it'd be a 15-minute wait. Came in about 5. Amazing service. Right, let's dive in. I've got fucking hell.
Language.
Food like this ruins food and takeaways for the rest of your life. Come in nice and close, Jez. There's actually like tiny little pieces of, I think it's nut, finely chopped.
Yeah, it's peanuts.
Yeah, it's just, so you've got that crunch. You've got this most sweet, like a sweet chili. Sorry if I'm getting what's wrong, what the flavours are, but
I think it's there's a mayo on there or a sauce which is like coriander and mint or something. That's all, the whiter sauce on top.
like, forgetting, oh my God, there goes one. Forgetting the actual flavours. Look at the size of the wings. Like, please get in the comments if you reckon you know somewhere there's a better chicken than Chicken George. Again, you guys are humping on at me. Dog watch, quick, spin around. Oh, what a beauty that was. He looked like a Azar one that sleep. He's not even watching. Unbelievable, Buster. What was I saying? If you know anyone that's even remotely close to this. I just can't see it. So you guys have been moaning on at me about going to Independence. Half of the chicken shops that we've been to that are independent don't deserve the time of day. You know, this is... I've got a crunch outer shell. My good God.
Do the noise. No, the other noise.
What's that? That's the sort of noise I make when I eat chicken like this. It's a fact. People have rerouted planes to have this chicken. So people have been getting a flight into Birmingham and they've got to transfer or reroute to get into Luton just so they could swing by this gaff, get their chops around this chicken. It's just so far beyond anything I've had elsewhere in the chicken game. I would say this would be my last time I review Chicken George, but it won't. They'll bring out something else and I'll keep coming back. But as the current best chicken in the country, as per Wing Fest, obviously it didn't happen this year, so these guys are still top dogs in the game. I don't know if that was going to be the wing that was, you know, they were going to go and do, but it's food like this that would have won again. Look, one last time. Look at the chuffing size of that. I've got flavours, I've got seasoning, I've got sauces. It's just... Damn, son!
Oh God.
Yep. I inhaled some of that.
Oh.
You do it. Got a guy trying to get into the car mid-review.
Does he work there?
I don't know. I suppose that this video, not so much a review, more of a documentary on the chicken game. I'm sat at Mecca. This is chicken Mecca. Sorry, I don't know if that's offensive or not. So I hope it's not. But it is literally, to me, a foodie, loves takeaways, loves fast food. This is the gateway into the future. This is passionate, stunning, sexy food, cooked with love, passion and care that we always harp on about. If you're running a restaurant in the UK, a food outlet, and you want to know the standard, what you should be cooking to, come down here and give it a go. We were 5 miles away. Me and Jess had to come. We've got a portion each. We're going to take them home. We're going to enjoy them at home at our own leisure. But I wanted to just document this one, tie me up, this wing, as I believe this wing is a champion and potentially one of the best wings ever made. There you go, stick that in your pipe and smoke it. All you haters out there that want me to get on with the independence, I'm at it. More than you know. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that is a review.
Yeah.